Welcome to Become a Programmer Full Course 2025. In this video, we'll dive into topic Programming Fundamentals.
To run a Python program in your system, you first have to download Python software version. Then, an IDE platform to run and compile your code, which can be Visual Studio Code. If you still don't want to download anything, then let's go to the online Python code compiler and write your first Python program. Yeah, that's IT. Congrats, you have written your first Python code. Keep learning. Thanks for watching. Check out the playlist Become a Programmer Full Course 2025 to master programming from beginning to advanced.